So in today's session, we are going to discuss about minus 7's big friends formula. Okay. So minus 7's formula says minus 10 plus 3. What does it say? Minus 10 plus 3 minus God plus friend. Okay. If I have 11 with me, I have to do minus 7. Very easy. Minus God plus friend. Minus 10 plus 3. Okay. So another example, if I have 10 with me, I have to do minus 7. How will I do? Minus God plus friend. Minus God plus friend. Okay. Minus 10 plus 3. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Now let's do a bigger complicated question. Fine. At 7, minus 3, I am applying small friends. Add 8, big friends. Again add 8, again big friends. Add 7, minus 3, again minus 3. I applied small friends before this. Now minus 7. What is minus 7? Minus 10 plus 3. Answer is 14. Okay. Now easier one. At 6, add 3, minus 6, add 10, minus 2. Now minus 7. Minus 7 is minus 10 plus 3. Answer is 4. Clear? Okay, I'll see you in the next video with minus 8's formula. Alright, see you. Bye bye.